Jeez. So I did this whole spiel, talking with my sister, talking about what we were going to do for the rest of the day and all of that, and it was in time lapse. This is going to be a funny vlog. This is going to be a me figuring out my camera vlog, and again, not looking at the viewfinder, looking at the actual camera. I've only ever vlogged on my phone, but the sound quality is not the best because I think I have water up in my speaker. I never have enough storage, so that's the main thing. So I got the microphone attached. We in business. Look at my water bottle. It's cute. So my students gave this to me as a summer present, and I just decorated it with stickers. Little Bobo right here, headphones, You Crock Me Up, that's one of my favorites. She got rid of those?
Why you get rid of the brown ones? I like these.
We're cleaning out our closets. My sister's trying to get rid of everything.
Yeah, gonna be having a fit because you gotta wear the same thing to school every day.
Cut!
Replace them.
This is my setup. Excuse the fan over here, but this is my little tray where I have all my skincare, makeup, and all that good stuff. Chapstick, beauty blender, nail file, and then this is me. I was talking, I'm recording a TikTok, so that's that. This is Zoom because I have a business call in like 9 minutes, so that's that. And then over here is like my nail station, so I have my nail tips, my drill, nail polish remover, obviously. Let's see if it'll focus. It's supposed to be on autofocus. See, it's like a little grainy. I haven't tried the other lens. It's a little bit better. If there's other things that I can do to kind of adjust the quality, but again, my main concern right now is just sound quality, because I should be recording. Just focus. I should be recording right now, so we're gonna check to make sure. So I'm putting the microphone close to me to see if the sound quality is better because it's close to me. But of course, who wants to vlog like this all the time? Just test the camera, how it does like filming outdoors. Again, the sound quality, because if this ain't it, I'm gonna just get another iPhone. I'm gonna have to put this away, bye. So I'm about to go get on this. Nobody wants to come with me, so I'm gonna go do it by myself. It looks fun.
Hi to the nice people.
What's up? So I am, as you can see, taking my little dookie braids down, and I am about to wash my hair. And I'm kind of tempted, which I think I'm actually gonna do, blow dry my hair, not to the point of getting it straight, but I figure why not do a length check. I have not done one since April, so I think it would be nice, so I'm gonna do that. I'm wanting to do like a silk press in September, because I have been seeing a lot of people do their own silk press, and you know, all this stuff, and they're super cute. So I know I have enough hair to do it. It's just doing it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to rebraid it today after I blow dry it. I honestly might just put it in a bun on top of my head and keep going with my day. This is my hair out of the braids. And it's so funny because these sides that you see, like, let me grab a piece from the side. This is the side, and it's like right here, right? Well, in 2020, I'll put a picture right here, those parts were completely bald. So to think that it's like touching my shoulder now is absolutely insane. Ponytail moment with my curly hair. But anyway, let's go wash. All right, so the hair is washed, and look at these curls. I'm obsessed. Just 2 different conditioners, and I thought to just like condition twice, but instead I literally mixed them together in my hands, and yeah, my hair said thank you. You see how dry my hair looked when I took my braids out versus now? Obsessed. I want it to be like not dry, but a good portion of the way dry before I blow dry it. So I'm just gonna go in with my growth serum and my oil and my, oh, that feels so good, my leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm trying to get the lighting as good as possible. I moved to the room about to put my leave-in conditioner in. I should have done that already, but I got distracted. Oh my gosh, did you just see that, all that juice from the I love it, I love it. The fact that my hair was already like warmed up, you know, my cuticles were open, definitely helped with the oil actually penetrating into my scalp. So now I know. This leave-in conditioner also detangles your hair. I am appreciative of that, so that when I blow dry it, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do?
So this is it, nice and blow dried. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this section. Gosh, I haven't straightened my hair in, yeah, that long. Time-lapse mode. 1, because I know this is gonna take me a minute, and 2, because I want to listen to my book I've been reading. It's a business book. It's called Get Over Your Damn Self, and I really feel like it's been working. Like, I'm so much more confident in what I do. I'm confident in myself. I'm confident in, you know, God and his ability to do things through me, and it's just it's boosting me. So if you are entrepreneur, business girly, specifically if you are in like digital sales or anything like that, I definitely highly recommend this book. So my hair is straightened, like right here, and then my bangs, last time I measured my bangs, they were like to my chin, barely past my lip. Let's look at my bangs now. And that was in April. They're at the bottom of my chin, so growth is happening. That's mainly what I wanted to see. But now I'm just going to slick it in a bun. I want my channel to be like not just vlogs, but like, you know, lifestyle things, take y'all shopping with me, or like maintenance vlog, or Q&As, like whatever y'all want to see. So let me know in the comments what type of content you want to see from me, because I do want to be consistent. I really just wanted to do a length check and see where my hair was and everything like that. In September, I really want to do have a business convention, and I want to do a silk press. So I was trying to see, you know, where's my hair at, how's she doing, you know, just you gotta check in on sis. And might I say, sis is doing good. She's really doing good. When that concludes this video, if you stay watching to the end, you're a real one. I am trying to get on an upload schedule. I don't know what that's gonna look like yet, but stay tuned, because I will be bringing y'all a lot more content. I returned my vlog camera, so after, you know, playing with it a little bit and seeing how I felt about it, and I will be purchasing another iPhone to do my footage, so I don't, you know, run out of storage and all that good stuff. So the vlogs are coming, the videos are coming. Right now I'm just recording this on my iPad. I hope the sound and video quality are good. But yeah, if you kept watching this far, comment this emoji and I will like your comment, and yeah, I appreciate it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get some work done, but yeah, love y'all. Okay.